so delighted. It was an honor to be at your wedding. Really, what a fantastic and joyful celebration.
Hey, Rick and Kat. Super excited to be able to be part of this extravagant party and celebrate a wonderful, wonderful example of love.
We're so happy for you guys. Thank you for inviting us. I'm so happy you found the one.
Yay! We wish you all the happiness and joy and love and generosity that can ever happen to a couple, and we hope that you share it with us.
And more.
And more.
Come together here before the church community so that your intentions to enter into marriage may be strengthened by the Lord with the sacred seal. Are you prepared, as you follow the path of marriage, to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live? I really think that you, Catherine, be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you. Good times and in bad.
It is my great privilege to introduce to you Rick and Catherine as husband and wife.
It's not always going to be easy. You're not always going to like each other, but love each other at the end of the day, and you get through anything.
If you're ever looking for any support, just look around you. Many of us have traveled long distance, many hours, just to be here for you, to be with you. We love you.
All right, Kat. I hope you're okay now with the way that Rick does the dishes.
Well, I hope with all the food that Kat has fed me these last 10 years, I hope I'm not 300 pounds.
Like me,
What was that saying? Where there isn't love, you don't find love, bring love. And then there will be love.
Put love, yeah.
Put love there. Something like that. You get the point.